In this video, today I am going to show you how to make prawn brinjal curry, a very tasty dish to try with steamed rice. If you like the recipe, don't forget to subscribe my channel Tongue to Tummy. On medium flame, add 5 tablespoon oil. Into it, add 1 large brinjal and fry till golden brown. So I will fry with half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Fry this until golden brown on medium flame so that the brinjal does not get burned. You can also see here that all the oil we have added has been absorbed by the brinjal. But at this point of time, no need to add any extra oil. You can lower down the flame and fry it. Stir it occasionally. Brinjal has the tendency to become very soggy. You need to be very careful while frying it. It's almost like 5 minutes I'm frying. Now you can see the brinjal started to leave the oil. So as I told you before, you don't need to add extra oil. This is going to be a very delicious curry and takes very less time to cook. So I think this is fried enough. So let's take it out from the pan and we'll keep it aside. In the same pan, adding 2 tablespoon oil. Next up goes in 120 gram prawn, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt. Fry the prawns for like 5 minutes. Over frying the prawns can make it very chewy. As you can see, it started to leave water. At this point of time, fry it in high flame so that all the water gets absorbed again. After 2 minutes, it is ready to be taken out of the pan for later use. Moving on to the next step, add 3 tablespoon oil. Goes in 3 roughly chopped onions. Fry it until golden brown or transparent. Frying it for some time now, you can see the onions has turned transparent. Now add 3 green chillies. You can add chillies as per your choice. I like spicy, so I have added 3 chillies. Fry it for a minute. Next up goes in the fried brinjal. We'll now mix everything well and fry it until done. Adding half teaspoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon jeera powder, half tablespoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon sugar and salt as per taste. Keep on cooking for about 5 minutes on medium flame, stirring in between. After 2 to 3 minutes, now we'll add the fried prawns into it and cook it for another 2 minutes. You can see the curry is leaving oil and is coming out of the surface of the pan. As everything is cooked and became sticky enough, so it's done. Lower the flame and slow cook for another 3 to 4 minutes before it's done. It came out absolutely beautiful to look and super tasty to have it with rice or roti. This is how the texture should be. I will be having this with hot steamed rice. Isn't it looking very delicious? So what are you waiting for? Prepare it at home and send me your feedback in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe my channel if you love watching my recipes. Until then, happy cooking!